Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change time zone in Xiaomi Redmi Note 7s smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
First, go to Settings. Scroll down. Under System and Device, find the option Additional Settings. Tap on this. From Additional Settings, tap on the first option Date and Time. In Date and Time, tap on Select Time Zone. Again, tap on Region. Now select your appropriate region. And your region has been changed successfully. In this way, you can change time zone in Xiaomi Redmi Note 7s smartphone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.